Yeah, I actually heard a lot of very good testimonials for this, and
Yeah.
yeah, very impressive. So yeah, we look forward to getting connected with you and getting help on all these things. So another facet of you is again, I've heard about a lot of things about auto writing. अब मुझे ऑटो राइटिंग के बारे में बिल्कुल भी नहीं पता था जब तक कि मैं आपसे कनेक्ट नहीं हुई. तो आई मीन आप उसके बारे में बताओ, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज दिस ऑटो राइटिंग?
ऑटो राइटिंग का डिटेल्ड वीडियो है मेरा on YouTube.
हम्म.
So I will not go into so much detail because that is almost an hour wala video. So
हम्म.
basic, simply automatic writing it's called. In
हम्म.
short, auto writing. Auto writing is when you connect with the soul who's passed over.
Okay.
Again, it's energy. When the soul passes over, it's energy. So as I said, I
It's
do a lot
energy.
of work. So I connect with the energy of that soul. And
Mm-hmm.
basically, auto writing is done only as a closure. It's a healing process.
Okay.
What people, I always tell them when they come for this auto writing, two things, please remember, they're not astrologers, they're not gods. Ouch, there's so much traffic sound.
Actually, I stay on the main road, so that's the whole thing, because
Yeah.
of that. Really sorry about that.
So,
Yeah.
auto writing is basically a healing process. It is not used as a मैं आगे अभी क्या करूं? I do become a doctor? Do I not do a doctor? My father has done a will or no? मेरी ये legal case होगी कि नहीं? That is not the thing at all. For these kind of materialistic questions, I have another modality called Heaven Answers.
Okay.
Materialistic questions, that is when, again, absolutely gross. I don't like to talk about all these things so much. But Heaven Answers is another modality where I have to get up at 3:34 in the morning, and when I meditate.
Mm-hmm.
And whatever questions people have, the materialistic questions, they just come as a download at that point in time. It's so
Mm-hmm.
fast. It's not
Wow.
possible for me to actually write it all down because I'm in a kind of a zone. So my team has been told that I'll call you up at any time, any of the days. Be ready to pick up the call and just record what I'm saying or write down fast whatever I'm saying. So that's basically.
Wow.
That's another modality for all materialistic questions. But when you come to do auto writing, it is just a closure. It is basically for a closure, just to and the souls love to meet their loved ones. Again, it's a myth. People think हम उनको disturb करते हैं. Disturb कैसे हो जाएगी energy? Disturbance का तो सवाल ही नहीं. Disturb कौन हो जाता है? Mind disturb हो जाता है. Body disturb हो जाता है. Body mind तो है ही नहीं. तो डिस्टर्बेंस किसको हो जाएगी? डिस्टर्बेंस, these are all myths कि हम उनको डिस्टर्ब करते हैं. In fact, they're waiting to meet their loved ones.
Okay. And is it done for any particular kind of a soul, or it can be just done with any soul? I mean, have anyone? या फिर I mean the souls who have जिसे बोलते हैं आकस्मिक मृत्यु होना. I mean suddenly they अकस्मात. हाँ.
No, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. कोई किसी भी तरह की मृत्यु, once the soul has left the body, it's the soul.
Right. And does it actually give them some kind of a comfort when you do this auto writing?
Yes, it is a closure on both ends. In fact, people who have died accidentally, suicidal deaths and all these kind of things, they've never got a closure. People here living have not got a closure. Ekdam sudden death, it's a shock. So a very good way of having a closure. They've not been able to say their goodbyes. Or people who are in coma for a very long time, they've not been able to say their goodbyes because of that thing on their face and whatever.
Right.
So एक अंदर रह जाता है कि I couldn't even say, I couldn't talk.
Couldn't say a proper goodbye. मैं कुछ चीजें बतानी थी, बोलनी थी, मैं नहीं बोल पाया. Wow, wonderful. So they actually get an opportunity to, in spite of not having a body and everything, they can still communicate with their loved ones and say the final goodbye. And they can be at peace, basically.
Absolutely. तो आत्मा को गति भी मिल जाती है. It starts moving. It has to move on. No, it can't get stuck in the earth space.
Right. That's an eye opener, actually. That's something totally. I never knew कि ऐसा कुछ भी होता है. Yeah. So this is, I mean, you are into so many different things. It's completely, marvelous.
Just wonderful. Just grace. I mean, I have nothing to take credit to. Nothing. Absolutely not.
Yeah, we just, I mean, you just say ki yeah, you are the medium, and the divine actually works through you, kind of a thing.
Divine works through everyone, except that I have worked on myself, so I've made that path available for the divine to work with me.
Right.
Which others have not realized it or not done it or not taking that much effort. मेरा अभी 30-35 years का journey, it's a hell of a long journey.
Long journey, very long journey. 35 years is a huge journey.
Yeah, so by now I should be able to do something of these kind of things. If not, then मेरा वो करना, I was just probably just doing it just to please myself.
Right.
अपना ego high करने के लिए probably, if these things don't, if this doesn't manifest, or if this doesn't, तो फिर मेरा वो इतना सालों का ये जो करना कुछ मतलब नहीं बनता,
बेकार है वो. True. So I think another thing which I have seen you constantly talk about is the chakras, basically healing the chakras and aligning the energies. I think whatever problems that we all go through, be psychosomatic problems or health issues or relationship problems, everything is, I think, somewhere related to the energies, the mismatch of energies and so can you tell us more about what is this chakra healing and chakra meditation and everything?
Yeah, chakras, that's again a very long answer, but I'm going to make it short and tell you. Everything depends on your 7 sapta chakra जो हैं हमारे body में. Okay. Now, why I like chakras is, again, as I said, that in spirituality, whatever is there should be applicable to every human being on this planet.
Correct.
It's not कि Hindus को ये apply होता है या Christianity को apply होता है या इसको apply होता है, ऐसा नहीं है. Every human being born on this earth, it should be applicable to, that is spirituality. Okay?
Correct. I agree. Yeah.
So chakras, every human being born on this planet is born with the chakras and the kundalini, whether you like it or not. Whether you accept it or not, it's a fact. Okay. Now, do you know Earth also has its chakras? There are 7 chakras of the planet Earth also.
Never knew about it.
Yeah. So what happens is, our chakras, because they are not aligned and they're not activated, so chakras are rainbow colors होते हैं. Chakras के rainbow colors होते हैं. तो वो chakras के rainbow colors इतने brightly बाहर आते ही नहीं because of the blocks.
Okay.
Now they don't get aligned to the energies of the chakras of the planet. Because they're not aligned with the chakras of the planet, there is misalignment, no?
Yes, absolutely.
So how will you manifest things that you want? So you align your chakras, get aligned to the planet's chakras also, where you're internally also completely balanced, because chakras have got various outcomes. Like every chakra, even physically and spiritually, it helps you. The lower 3 chakras are for your materialistic world.
Right. Correct.
Any health issues or anything, whatever you have, for materialistic.
Right.
And one second, I'll have some water.
Yeah, sure.
And the upper chakras are for your inner work, for your inner journey.
Right. Your soul.
It has to work both ways. Your spiritual self-being, your spiritual being and your materialistic being has to work like a bird's wings. अगर दोनों साथ में है तो आप फ्लाई कर सकेंगे. यहाँ पे क्या है, हम materialistic चीजों पे ज्यादा जाते हैं. There's nothing wrong. I'm saying nothing wrong in being materialistic.
Nothing wrong
at all, but at the same time you have to do your inner journey also, no? सिर्फ external journey करते रहोगे. So at one point in time you come across blocks. You come across physical problems, you come across your financial problems, relationship problems. कुछ ना कुछ तो होता रहता है. अंदर की जर्नी शुरू नहीं की आपने.
Correct.
तो एक विंग पे बर्ड कितना फ्लाई करेगा?
So true. So it's a must, I think, Smita ji. I mean,
I don't know when people will realize this, that spirituality has to be a way of your life.
Right.
उसके बगैर कोई चारा है नहीं. कब लोगों की समझ में आएगा ये मुझे नहीं पता.
Exactly. नहीं तो हम, I mean, जन्म लेते रहेंगे, आते रहेंगे इस धरती पे, सफर करते रहेंगे.
It's your life. Do what you want.
Correct.
I'm here to guide you, tell you. उसके I can take the horse to the water. You can't make him drink, right?
Right. Absolutely.
And if you look at my life, I have never stopped doing anything in life. I never stopped acting till
Right.
date I'm acting. Of
Yes.
course reduce किया है मैंने, वो बात अलग है, वो मेरी अपनी choice है, because I like this spiritual work more, it gives me a lot of more satisfaction, तो मैंने अपना काम reduce किया, ये बात सच है. But I still, if I get a good offer, I still do it.
Right.
तो मैंने कुछ बंद नहीं किया. Not that I don't dress up, I dress up very well, I do my makeup, I do everything. मैं हर जगह पर जाती हूँ, I buy things that I like, I travel, everything. What do I not do? What you don't do? But yet I am different from inside than what everybody else is. Now what is the difference? Is because my inner journey is much higher than even my materialistic journey.
Right.
So
what people say mostly, Smita ji, I mean, the most of the time, the reason that mostly people give is we do not have time for anything. I mean, वो life के चक्र में फंसे चले जा रहे हैं, चक्रव्यूह में चले जा रहे हैं, time नहीं है. तो what do you have to say?
एक बात बताओ, ये बॉडी बिल्डर्स जो हैं, या अपने बॉडी को फिटनेस वाले फिटनेस वाले हैं, फ्रीक्स, वो कहीं से भी कुछ भी करके टाइम निकाल के वो जिम में जाते हैं या नहीं जाते?
They have to. They have no choice.
1-1 बजे भी जाते हैं after the show. I know now industry how people are working, how these men bodies and the girls also to keep their body slim and all that. I know how that. तो जो चीज आपको चाहिए हो उसके लिए आप समय निकालते हैं या नहीं?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. जो वो वाकई में चाहते हैं, जैसे आपने शुरू में जुनून शब्द का इस्तेमाल किया था, जिसके लिए जुनून है, जो करना है, उसके लिए आप कैसे भी समय निकालते हो.
करेक्ट, एग्जैक्टली. जो चीज अगर if you think this is what happens, this is what I like, I want to do, you will remove time. Tell me, Anshu, when I was in my busiest peak, the peak hours, those 15 years that I did serials and films and plays and everything, I still did my spirituality or no? I did it, no? टाइम नहीं था, फिर भी मैं टाइम निकालती थी, बहुत जल्दी उठ जाती थी, कुछ तो कुछ करती थी, कुछ तो. I did remove time for it because that was my passion. I knew what was happening. तो समय ये एक चीज है, अगर आपको नहीं चाहिए तो समय नहीं मिलेगा, अगर आपको चाहिए तो बहुत सारा समय है.
Right. You just should know how to manage.
Okay, basically, it's time. Mohan Joshi, he's asked that if she can give me some time to connect to my spirit guide through her. Sure, we can do that. You can go on my website. All the numbers and all are there, so they can get in touch with me on my website. It's smitajaikar.com. So मेरे वेबसाइट पे सारी डिटेल्स हैं, तो जो चाहे तो आप डेफिनेटली मेरे साथ कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, इस एक्चुअली जब ये वीडियो अपलोड हो जाएगा मोहन जोशी जी, तो सारी डिटेल्स ऑलरेडी उस डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी आ जाएंगी. स्मिता जी का यूट्यूब का लिंक आ जाएगा और इनकी वेबसाइट का लिंक आ जाएगा, तो यू कैन कनेक्ट विद हर. एक्चुअली मोहन जोशी जी के बारे में मैंने अभी जाना, इन्होंने अभी हाल में अपना कुछ भेजा. ही इज आल्सो अ हीलर. ही हैज हील्ड अबाउट 1 lakh people. Yeah.
I know he's on Facebook with me. He's my Facebook
yes.
friend. I read his comments and everything a lot.
हाँ. So yeah, good to actually get this comment from him. Yeah. So another thing, Smita ji, is mostly relationship issues बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई हैं आज की डेट्स में. Lot of people are really facing issues, and with I'm not even talking about spouses or boyfriends, girlfriends. I'm talking about parents and children and siblings. People do not want to adjust. People do not want to solve it mutually and all that, and they keep blaming each other. One reason is, I mean, I've heard ki it's basically karma, some past karmas due to which we come together in this life, and we need to resolve it. What's your take on it? I mean, because no one wants to take responsibility, whereas I know ki we are responsible completely for our own lives. Everything that is happening to us is because of our own self. No one else is responsible. So what is your take on it? How can we better our relationships, basically?
See, the problem here in relationships is we are always on the blaming mode. तुम्हारी वजह से मुझे प्रॉब्लम हो रही है.
Exactly.
So we are constantly pointing out to people, we are judging them and we are blaming them.